What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Get Busy Plumbing. It is your boy David Archuleta, the apprentice, and we are back with another episode of The Underground. This is part 3. If you haven't seen the first or second, go ahead and double back on my page and watch those. It'll catch you up to speed about what's going on here and how we finish this little part out. As always, if you like these videos, subscribe, hit me a like, and drop a comment. In the meantime, let's get busy.
Good morning, Rob. Ooh, we're busy. 72 is that riser, then 73 is a big ass fucking stick, and then 74 is a middle one with a 45 on it.
Jared, do I have a copy?
Let's cable up real slow, create some tension. Cable up real slow. All right, cable up all the way. We're gonna land it up top by our other casket on the gravel. I'll meet you up there. Over it! Hold on, Fernando. Hey, hold on, buddy. We're gonna put it right here. Gracias. Let's swing our boom to the right about 3 feet. Hold that there. Cable down really slow. Hold that there. Trying to catch a left, huh? Yeah, come on, bud. Yo, it's lunch now. Rob! All right, Fernando. You see where our blue hat is down there? He's waving his hand. That's where we're gonna go. Let's go ahead and cable up. Perfect, you're all good to go. Trolley out another 3-4 feet. Trolley out another 4 feet. Hold that there. Trolley out another 5 feet. Hold the cable. Hold that cable. Trolley out another 5 feet. Hold that there. Cable down really slow. Hold that there. And that's how you do it, baby.
Oh, you look out 1 inch isn't there, so you gotta see from 2 to 1 where it stops.
Right at that little...
Right at the end of the buckle.
Right there at them 2 dots, right?
Yeah.
And that's where you're gonna always put it for you to get where you need to be.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Always double check your 100 footers because they're different all the time.
Where do you want to go to?
Let's go to the wall. Here, come on this side. Get in that water, boy. Get in that water, boy. Hold it tight. Yeah, there you go. Good. We need our spray can. Oh, we just took that measurement?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna transfer by our ditch.
All right.
Switch. Family, stay down there. I'm gonna hand you the torque wrench. I'm gonna grab shim caps and start putting them on top.
Listen to that jump. Gone over with this combo over here where your line is. You fucking recording? Combo goes up, right?
Yes.
Okay. Instead of putting the 90, don't put the 90. Put the 4-inch PVC. Repeat what I just said.
We're not gonna go ahead and put the 90 riser, number 72. We're gonna go put our PVC for our 10-foot head of water. At the end of our riser 10-foot head, we're not gonna continue. We're gonna put a clean out with our clean seal.
At the end on the horizontal.
At the very end on the horizontal. What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Where we're gonna get our water from?
Anyway, whatchamacallit,
Must have a pump in there.
I know. Is it possible to start ordering food from the site yet, bro?
Oh,
I don't want to keep using my personal shit.
Huh? What found?
I'm not speaking in fucking gibberish, bro. Come on.
Yeah, I can.
Ready when you are, David.
Family just walks around the side.
Let's get in a little. Let's get this underneath so we can set our fall. No homo, okay?
Man, come on, bro.
Just bend over.
No.
Hold on. Let it go down just a little bit. Right there.
Alright, we cool.
That's
Get there, bro.
That's an A. Now let's put a support back there.
They were putting, what do you call that shit? Like thick ass rubbers inside.
Let's slap our combo on here. Let's get it center, and then we're gonna chop our piece because we might need to cut that.
Alright. That's our center over there?
Yeah.
I'll have it back, alright?
Hold on. Let's put our band on, family. Right here.
Family!
I hear you're gonna be back. God damn it. Hold me in center. 74 7/8 is what I had, right?
Yeah. That
And we're at 6 foot. We need to be 6 foot from center to end of pipe. There we go.
drop it right there.
Okay. Stop yelling at me. Well, I got you all nice and prepped then, family.
That's it.
That's all right, I'll lift it for you.
Got that second one. Oh, goddamn.
Jesus, fuck.
Did that shit on purpose. Hey, that was running the laser.
Whoa. Straight tripping. Or face it the other way or something. Yeah, man. I see y'all don't want summer to end.
What the fuck did you run for? I got all fucking wet.
Fuck that.
You got that on tape?
I did. Move the hat if you need to, family. Get in there. Got our Muslim cap on today. Egg salami bacon. But you know where we fucked up, right, bud? We'll put the band on the other side.
Fuck.
Get busy. You need daddy to show you?
Come on, you can do it. What, man? Fuck you.
What?
I could have done that.
Could have, but you didn't.
I know. That
Let's put our fucking clean out, and then we gotta put our 10 foot ahead. Transition band.
You don't want to put your fucking jam cap up there? How you gonna reach that shit?
Gym cap. This is where we're gonna fill it up. All right, family, we're about to go test.
Yeah, and then once we get it going, you're gonna fucking buy lunch. You guys ain't done over here. Yeah, the fuck I am. We'll grab our hose. Come on now.
What is this?
What?
That extension's not gonna reach.
There's a live cord right here we can use. Hey, I'm gonna take your extension cord from this pump real quick. That's what I'm saying. Suck on it, fool.
Hell
Come on. Yeah, we gotta fill it back
Go
up.
to the gym, work on hands.
On hands. Hey, bring your Tonosaurus ass over here, fool. Come on, I need you to hold this ladder.
Hold you?
Just hold the fucking ladder. Kurt, you ready? Don't do it yet. Ah! Go ahead. Turn it off. He's like, ah!
Let's get a shovel and some of this rock and put it under this 90.
I want full fucking shovel.
Well, show me how it's done. All right.
What do you need?
Jesus, it's your ball that's leaking.
Huh?
Your ball, that's what's leaking.
Look.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, let's go. You recording?
Yep.
Better. Get back, Jason.
Look, he knows I'm about to get wet.
All right, let's go. That's a lot of pressure, bro. God damn, David. What the fuck?
Don't RJ water me, know how to get wet. Don't we know how to get wet? Get in there.
Bro, fucking take that out. Fuck it. You got a little air out.
Ain't the guy supposed to get the water in the pipe?
There you go. Yes. Yeah, no, let it go. We're gonna pump it out. Hey, let it go. We're gonna pump it out there.
Okay, to the pump.
Ah.
Set it in there. Easy.
Motherfuckers.
Fuck yourself to wet.
Good.
You're doing a good job, David.
Shut up, fool.
Hey, you go home after this full day's worth of pay, bro. That's
Oh, good luck convincing my job.
Come on, I hope you're recording that now.
Hell yeah. All right, bro. Not even that much water.
I know, what you crying about?
already on it.
Huh, you look pretty dry.
No, I'm not.
Where'd that Teletubby go?
It's a good time, family.
Hell yeah.
Family, get your fucking hands in there, dude. Keep it up, I'm gonna fucking replace you with Daniel.
What are you talking about, fool? I'm busy.
I'm gonna get Daniel over here.
Oh, well, I'm really not worried then.
Did I get you all wet, family?
Yeah, fam, you did.
That's your own fault for not putting the kid in there.
All right, it's disconnected.
Do something. Quit playing around in there. Come on now. Family.
Shut your bitch ass up. All right, family. I've done it twice.
What?
If we gotta get wet again, your ass is getting wet.
All right. I need your help down here.
What do you need?
Lift it.
Which part?
Right here. Go up. A little more.
All
right.
Uh-oh, the Muslim cap is out. We're getting busy now.
Yeah, my gut likes smooth things.
His gut likes smooth things. It's holding it?
Yeah,
Well,
it's
if that's
like-
as high as we can go, then that's good. It's gonna fill up real quick, bro. We don't have the whole system drained. You got me, family. Go ahead. There we go. Well, they stopped all the little river, huh?
Yeah. By adding all water, it's just all water's all under there.
Hey, let's grab that ladder and let's put it in our basket.
I know.
Watch your little fingers, bro.
Don't forget my 300-foot tape. Milwaukee tomorrow.
You said 300?
Yeah.
We went up 200 feet already, family?
We're gonna need it, family.
Oh, okay. Family Jones.
Awesome.